This pump is relatively new, or refurbished anyway. I had this one installed. And I had this thing apart before, replaced all the gaskets, but I plan on reusing the pump. we need a special tool for these rod bolts. I don't think a regular socket's going to work on that. It might, but it might not be the right tool, so I'm going to need the right one to install. I'm not sure what I need for that, so I'm going to have to go check that out. So we finally have the block all stripped down. It's taken me a while to follow up on the video, apologize for that, but first, so this all started with my piston getting grenaded by a bolt that somehow got in there after 9 months of driving, and obviously I wanted to inspect the block before sending it off, and I had all the rest of these pistons out, but I put them back in to practice putting them back in. And at first I was looking at the cylinder and I was thinking, it's not too bad. That was my biggest concern until I got to right here. See that little crack? And it extends down the side of the cylinder wall. There's the crack. It's really hard to see on here, but bottom line is this block is no good. But I already have a new block. Sourced this locally. It's actually from an 87 S, which has a couple slight differences. One of which being the balance shaft covers, the way the bearings are set up, and this one comes with a ability for an auto tensioner. It's got a couple extra studs on the front. This block is in, I don't know the history of it. It was for somebody else's project that they never got around to. I was able to get it for $400, which is a little bit more than I was hoping for. There were some cheaper ones out there, but no other ones that were local and didn't require shipping. And this one came with the OPV, the oil pressure relief valve, which I didn't know, but is actually different than the one for an 86. So they have the upgrade from the 3-piece from 82 through the 86. Then they have a different one for the 87 and on. So that came with the valve, and mine, I did the upgrade on mine for the 6R oil cooler housing and the oil pressure relief valve, which is about over a $400 part, which, let me see if I can find those real quick.